Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna share you how to get this makeup look. So yeah, keep on watching. The first thing first, I'm gonna take the blue eyeshadow from Sleek palette and I apply it on my crease area. And then I apply the highlighter from Beauty Creation on center of my lid. And then I'm using Water Hyper Sharp liner to make wing eye effect. Next, I'm using NYX Jumbo Pencil Milk on my waterline. And don't forget to blend it well. Next, I'm using pink eyeshadow from Sleek palette. And I apply it to my under eye. Next, I'm going to use light blue eyeshadow from Sleek palette to my inner corner. And this is the lashes that I'm using. And then I apply the blush under my eye to make cute effects. Don't forget to add contour on your nose to make it sharp. And then I'm using Maybelline Powder Matte with shade Make Me Blush. And then I put red lipstick from Wardah just on the inner my lips. And don't forget to blend it well with your finger. And then I'm using highlighter from Beauty Creation and I apply it on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose and my chin. And I decided to make fake under lashes with my eyeliner. Yeah, this is the final look. If you like this video, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye bye.